Welcome to your beginner's guide on how to use Sora AI, OpenAI's revolutionary text-to-video model. Master its capabilities with this tutorial. Sora AI empowers you to create stunning videos from simple text prompts. It eliminates the need for cameras or complex editing software, making video creation accessible to everyone. In this tutorial, we'll cover everything from accessing Sora, writing effective prompts, adjusting settings, generating, downloading, and sharing your creations. Access Sora AI through its dedicated website. Plus, Team or Enterprise ChatGPT subscribers can also conveniently access Sora AI features directly within ChatGPT. Simply log in using your OpenAI credentials to navigate its intuitive dashboard. This user-friendly interface is continuously expanding its availability. Crafting detailed and specific prompts is crucial for desired video outcomes with Sora AI. Precision in your input helps Sora translate your vision accurately. Specify subject movement, environmental details, and atmospheric tone using concrete nouns and vivid verbs. This guides Sora effectively to create your desired scene. For example, try a prompt like, "A stylish woman walks confidently down a bustling Tokyo street, vibrantly filled with warm, glowing neon lights and dynamic, animated city signage." This detailed prompt helps Sora understand your creative intent. Before generating, fine-tune your settings to match your creative vision. This includes selecting portrait or landscape orientation, depending on your video's intended platform. For Sora 2 Pro users, find advanced resolution options for higher quality outputs. You can also set precise video durations, choosing between 10 or 15 seconds to fit your project's needs. Explore available style presets like archival, film noir, or whimsical stop motion to transform your video's aesthetic. You can even create and save your own custom styles. Once your prompt and settings are ready, click Create to begin generation. Remember that more complex videos may take longer to generate, so patience is key. After generation, easily access your drafts. From there, review, edit prompts, regenerate, download your favorite outputs, or delete unwanted videos. Sharing your masterpieces is simple. Post your generated videos directly to the Sora app feed, share via direct messages, or even remix existing videos. Sora AI is packed with powerful features. Utilize the Blend tool for combining video clips, or employ the Loop feature for smooth, continuous repetitions. Streamline your creative process with the Storyboard option to outline scenes. The Cameo feature allows you to personalize videos by adding yourself or friends as characters. Remember, there's a 24-hour video creation limit within Sora AI. Managing expectations about current limitations is key, as the technology is still rapidly evolving. Explore the vibrant community features within Sora AI. This is an excellent resource for finding inspiration and sharing your incredible creations. With these essential steps and tips, you are ready to unleash your creativity with Sora AI. Start experimenting today and bring your imaginative visions to life.